Students, very good morning. How are you? Dear student, as you know that uh, today I am present in front of you with the same topic: senior citizen test, fitness test, Rickley and John senior citizen fitness test. Already you have read the two tests. Already you have read. First you have read chair stand test. Second you have read upper body strength, curl bicep fitness test. So these two tests you have read already, and as you know that chair stand test and arm curl bicep test you have read. Today you have to read about the test item 3, sit and reach flexibility test. So sit and reach flexibility test. This test is measure to lower body flexibility. So this test measure to lower body flexibility, and equipment required for this test: ruler, length scale, straight back chair, and approximately 45 centimeter high chair we have to need for this test. And administration and procedure you are watching here. So the person sits on the edge of the chair, one foot on floor, whereas other leg is extended forward with the knee straight, heel on floor, and ankle bent at 90 degrees Celsius, one hand on top of the chair. The person is instructed to inhale, then exhale and reach toward the toes by bending at the hip. Keep the back straight and head up. Avoid jerky action or quick movement and never stress to the point of pain. Keep the knee straight and hold the reach for 2 seconds. The distance between toes and finger tips to measure in inches. If fingertips touch the toes, the score is 0. If it is not touch the toes, then distance between toes and fingertips it will be negative. If it overlap the toes, then the score is positive. So perform this test twice and consider the best. So evolution for this test, evolution chart is given here, for the reference is given. So you know that the age group of the senior citizen: 60 to 64, 65 to 69, 70 to 74, 75 to 79 years, and 80 to 84 years, and 85 to 89 years, and 90 to 94 years. So below average, less than minus 2.5 for the 60 to 64. Below average for women, minus less than minus 0.5, and average man minus 2.5 to 4, and average women minus 0.5 to 5, and above average man more than 4.5, and above average women more than 5.0. So this is evolution chart. Like this, the other age group calculation you can find out here: 65 to 69 age group, 7 to 74. So by this we can check out the lower body flexibility of this test, sit and reach flexibility test. So chair, sit and reach test, this is the for the senior citizen. So by this test we can check out the flexibility, lower flexibility of the senior citizens. Now next test item is here, test item 4, back scratch test. So back scratch test, this test is measure the general range of motion of shoulder. Equipment required, it is required of ruler's length scale only. So this test measure the general range of the motions of shoulders, how much motion doing our shoulders. So we can check out by this test. So administration and procedure of this test: Administration and procedure, you are watching a figure on screen that you have to touch from the both side, and how much we have to try to touch both and from the back side. So back scratch test is this. So admission and procedure of this test is done in standing position. One hand is placed behind the head over the shoulders and reaches as far as possible down the middle of back, whereas palm touching with the body and finger directed down. So place the other hand behind the back, palm facing outward and fingers upward, and reach up as far as possible, attempting to touch or overlap the middle fingers of both hands. An assistant is required to direct the person so that fingers are aligned to measure the distance between the tips of middle finger. If fingertips touch each other, then score is 0. If they do not touch, the measure the distance between the fingertips are positive score. If it is overlap, the measure distance as negative score. So evolution and norms also given for this chart is given here. So age group is the same age group given for the senior citizens 60 to 64, 65 to 69, 70 to 74, and 75 to 79, 80 to 84, 85 to 89, and 90 to 90. So below average for men, more than 6.5, below average for women 3, average men 6.5 to 0, average women 3 to 1.5, and above average men less than 0, and above the average women less than 1.5. So this is a norm chart. According to this chart, you can find out the back scratch test. So different age group we can also find out for this test. Now next test item, 8 feet up and go test. So 8 feet up and go test. Purpose of this test is designed to measure the speed, agility, coordinative ability, and balance while over moving. So the equipment required are stopwatch, straight back chairs approximately 45 centimeter high, cone markers, measuring tape, safe and clean area. So administration of the procedure of this test you are watching on screen. So place the chair against wall and mark a cone 8 feet away in front of chair. Clear the path between the chair and the marker. The person sits on chair, hands resting on knees and feet flat on floor. On the command go, timing start and person is instructed to walk, no running, around the cone as quickly as possible and sit down on the chair. So scoring is counted as time taken to perform this. 2 trials are conducted and lowest time is second is considered for scoring. So how much time they are taking for completing the one round, so that timing we have to here score. So evolution norm chart is given here. So age group is same 64 to 64, 60 to 64, 65 to 69, 70 to 74, 75 to 79, 80 to 84, 85 to 89, and 90 to 94. So below average for men more than 5.6, below average for women more than 6.2, and average man 5 to 6, 5.6 to 3.8 second, average man 6 to 4.4 second, average above average man less than 3.8, above average man less than 4.4. So this is the timing. So like this we can check the other age group also. The evolution chart, according to evolution chart we can find out in which category they are belonging. So I think that you have understood how can we check out our 8 feet up and go test. Now next test item, 6-minute walk test. So 6-minute walk test, this test is used to measure the aerobic fitness. So basically you know that aerobic, what is aerobic? Aerobic is that activity which is tell us that a person doing an activity how much time long or sustaining the time period of that activity. So aerobic activity is that activity in which we perform, our speed will be slow and time duration will be long. So purpose of this test, by this test we can check out the measure of the aerobic fitness. So equipment required for this test, equipment required are the measuring tape to mark track distance, stopwatch, chair positions for resting. So this student, 6-minute walk test we can check the admission procedure. You are watching here a 6-minute walk test, and so administration for this procedure of the test, the walking course or track is laid in rectangular area 45 into 5 meters square, with the cones marking the area at the regular interval. The aim of test is to walk as quickly as possible for 6 minutes to cover the maximum distance. So for the 6 minutes, how much distance we can cover for this test? So person set their own pace. They can take rest if desire. So measure the distance covered by the person in 6-minute walk test in meters. So we have to check out that in 6 minutes how much distance we can cover for the senior citizen. So you know that we can check our aerobic fitness test of the senior citizen. So evaluation norm charts are given here. So age group already given in the same age group. So just like this is 60 to 64, below average man, it will be the less than 610, below average women less than 545, average man 610 to 735 meter, average women 545 to 660 meter, and above average man more than 735 meter, and average women more than 660 meters. So by this chart we can check out that a senior citizen person according to their age group how much distance they can cover for in 6 minutes. So by this chart we find out the fitness of the senior citizen. So this chapter also has been completed. So please complete your work and revise every topic of this chapter, and write 1 marks questions, MCQ, multiple choice questions, and 3 marks questions, and that answers must be, already I have told that you have to write that 3 marks answer must be 70 to 8, at least 70 to 80 words, 50 to 50, 60, 70, 80 words you can write. And for the long answer you have to write 100 to 120 words. So everything you have to do proper, and if you have getting any problem then you can talk with me. Okay, now we will soon meet with the next topic. Now we will going to start the unit 7. So only 3 units, 4 units left only. We have to complete this unit on time. So dear student, please whatever topic we are teaching every day you have to revise and repeat. Okay, thank you, bye bye, see you again.